welcome to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. If this is your first time of seeing my face, my name is Florence and this is Unique Flows channel, and please consider subscribing to this channel. It's a family channel and it would be good if we grow this channel together. Thank you for stopping by again, and if you're a returnee and a subscriber, thank you, and thank you for coming back to watch my video. Truly appreciate it. So in this video I am traveling to Nigeria and I'm very excited because I just want another break. I just came back in May and I just feel I need a break, so I'm going for another 2 months. So very excited and trying to contain myself. So in today's video I am going to be showing you what I pack in my holder that I carry to go on the plane. So that's what this video is going to be about. So I'm going to show you what I pack in my holder when I'm going to Nigeria. For each country I go, it's a different things I put in my holder. And when you go to Nigeria, I'm traveling with Virgin Athletics, and when you're going to Nigeria, what you're allowed 2 suitcases of 23 kgs, as well as hand cabin size trolley, as well as a hold-on. You are also allowed to carry your laptop case if you want to carry one. So for me, this is my hold-on that I like to carry when I go on a long haul flight. So come along and let me show you what I have in my hold-on. So to start with, this is my travel holder, and I love it, and I've had it for a very long time, and it's been on so many travels with me. So it's like a doctor's bag, and it's made by Prada, and it has a long strap if you want to carry it over your shoulder, but I tend to sit this on my hand trolley as I push along. So it sits nicely on the trolley as I push on the 4-wheel trolley. So it's quite easy to just push both of them along as you walk. So the bag has quite so many compartments in it. So it's got 2 zipped area where I tend to save things like money. I don't like to keep all my money in one place. I tend to split it and put in different places, and I tend to carry them on me. Never put money in the luggage you check in. So again, there's a little pocket where you can put your phone, and sometimes I put my sweetener in there or chewing gum. So the bag is just big open space. So what I do is I tend to use a handbag organizer, which I'm going to show you in a minute, and I use the handbag organizer to nicely pack all my things in a very organized manner. And I love that because I know where everything is in my bag. If I chuck everything in and you're rummaging to look for things, I don't like that. I like to be very organized all the time, not just when I'm traveling. So let me show you what I've got in my bag. So here is everything I've got packed in the bag. I brought them out just to show you, and also to show you the inside the bag as well. So this is the travel organizer I use, and you can see it's very much compartmental. So I've got mask and more mask, bearing that you have to wear mask for 6 hours in the Virgin aircraft as you travel. And I tend to put money here in this zipped compartment of the organizer. In here I also carry this cosmetic makeup pouch, and I love it because this cosmetic pouch has everything you need, to be honest. It has a mirror, it has eyeshadow, quite a lot of neutral colors. It has blushers, highlighters, lipstick, as well as some face powder and some concealers here. So this is just all I need. Put it in my bag for travel, and I just have other powders in my little makeup pouch, which I'll show you as well. So this is a great buy for me because I love using it. This is my second purchase of this. So the It Cosmetic pouch tends to slot in nicely in there. Love to carry tissue because you never know when you will need one. Kleenex tissue. And this is my makeup pouch, which sits nicely on top of my bag. It's a bit full at the moment, but trust me, when I organize it, the zip closes very nicely. I like to carry some chewing gum because as the plane land, I like to chew chewing gum, which helps my ears quite a lot. I also carry some tea tree alcohol wipes, which I carry for all my travels. Also, going to Nigeria and insect bite, I like to have some antiseptic cream, some paracetamol in case I have a headache, some anti-malaria tablets. It's very important that you take anti-malaria when you go to Nigeria. I know I'm staying for 2 months and I will be taking anti-malaria throughout those periods. Again, more masks for me, because everywhere you go in Nigeria, where I'm in my town, which is Asaba, they like you to wear a mask, otherwise you won't be allowed entry. Also my wallet, and I also have my passport wallet, and also in here I have my 2 passports as well as my immunization cards and other immunization history. And in here I tend to put some money as well for easy access without bringing out a lot of money from my bag. I like to carry some snacks with me on the plane, my phone charger, and at the moment I'm using my phone to record, so that's what I'm using. That's why you're not seeing it here. As well as I like to have my water flask. I'm doing my bit for the environment. I like to take some water from the plane just before we land in case I'm thirsty, because when I get to Nigeria I can sweat quite a lot, so it's really important that I hydrate myself. And also like to carry some toiletries. So I don't take toothbrush and toothpaste because it's a long haul flight. We tend to get that from Virgin Atlantic. I don't like to wear makeup when I'm traveling, but just before we land, go to the toilet and refresh, just put on some powder, some mascara, and maybe some lip gloss, and then get ready for landing. Spray some deodorant. I like to use the tea tree wipes to kind of refresh myself, and then use the Dove antiperspirants and some perfumes as well. In my makeup pouch, I've got some MAC powder, which I love, some Bare Mineral highlighter as well. I've also got some Tarte powder and some Tarte brushes. Also in here, I've got my in-ear Bluetooth earbuds that I use for my phone, and it easily connects to any device. Here it is, and it's amazing. This little baby, beautiful sounds comes out of it. I've also got my Tarte mascara, and also I've got my Ultrasun lip protection and color. I love that. I carry that everywhere I go. It also has SPF 30, so protection for my lips as well. And I have other lippies in here. I've got the Clinique lip gloss in there. I've got my sunglasses, and this is sunglasses from Dior. I love to carry with me. I tend to have quite a few sunglasses that I carry with me, and this one is Christian Dior, and I love wearing that. So I have some other sunglasses, but I tend to carry that in my suitcase as well. Nigeria is very hot and can be very sunny, so it's really important that you protect yourself with SPF as well as sunglasses. I like to carry a little bit of toiletries like perfume, some sun cream here, some Clinique take the day off wipe, some deodorants, and my vitamin C, the ordinary cream. Also, I have my wallets, which again all fit in nicely in my handbag organizer. This is everything I carry in that Prada bag that I showed you earlier. Believe it or not, everything here fits in that Prada bag with the help of this handbag organizer here. Everything organized very neatly into that bag, so that's really useful for me in packing when I'm traveling. So literally, that's everything I carry, and I hope this was helpful for you. Thank you for watching this video this far, and thank you for stopping by on my channel. Please subscribe to my channel, and let's grow this family channel together. Like, comment, and share. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye for now.